Hello everybody, my name is Elliot and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cyclone Kevin. So in yesterday's update on Judy, I briefly mentioned that we could see another system forming behind it that takes a similar track to it, and that has indeed happened. We now have Cyclone Kevin. So Cyclone Kevin is currently approaching the island nation of Vanuatu, which already suffered several landfalls from Cyclone Judy over the past several days, and this is concerning because Kevin could compound some of those impacts that we did see. Kevin is expected to gradually strengthen over the next 2 days or so, and pass near or over the southernmost islands of Vanuatu as a dangerous system with hurricane-force winds. And Kevin could also bring other impacts such as storm surge and heavy rainfall to those islands as well. So here's the Joint Typhoon Warning Center cone. As you can see, it's already nearly at hurricane force. It's expected to become a hurricane force system later today, and pass through the islands of Vanuatu as a Category 1 system. And it could strengthen a little more after it clears the islands, possibly peaking as a high-end Category 2. So currently, here's the infrared loop. As you can see, Kevin is producing very intense thunderstorms around its center. As of 12 o'clock UTC today, Cyclone Kevin was located at 16.1 degrees south, 165.1 degrees east. Movement is southeastward at about 10 to 15 knots. As of about 12 o'clock UTC, Kevin was estimated to have 1-minute sustained winds of 60 knots per the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, and 10-minute sustained winds of 60 knots per the Fiji Meteorological Service as of 6Z. Kevin had a minimum central pressure of 978 millibars per the Fiji Meteorological Service. So here is the loop of Cyclone Kevin. As you can see to the southeast, we do have Cyclone Judy, which is still active and moving off out to sea. Kevin, however, is approaching land and strengthening as it does so. You can already see some of the outer rain bands of Kevin impacting the islands of Vanuatu, and winds should pick up throughout the next day or so as Kevin makes its closest approach to the islands. So let's take a look at the weather models now. Both models do have fairly similar solutions. Kevin is expected to strengthen somewhat over the next 2 days, peaking as a near major hurricane equivalent system before beginning its extratropical transition, which should complete in about 4 to 5 days from now. So that was the GFSI out on my screen a little bit ago. This is the Euro. Euro does have it crossing Vanuatu as a hurricane force system, strengthening a little bit after that, and then begin its extratropical transition about 4 days from now. And it should be out of the way of any land masses after it does clear Vanuatu, so that is good news for the rest of the islands. However, if you're in Vanuatu, you should be preparing for the storm. And what can you do to prepare? Always follow official guidance for accurate and up-to-date estimates. We are not professionals, we are meteorology students, we're not degreed yet, so always look at the officials. So for Cyclone Kevin, we do have 2 agencies that are issuing official updates on this, the Fiji Meteorological Service and the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Both of these agencies issue cones on a 6 to 12 hourly basis, so it's always important to check back for them for official forecasts. And if you don't know if you should evacuate, always consult local officials for your area. They know what the risk level is for your area and how you should be preparing. So join us, click the link below, feel free to subscribe, and we also have a Discord community, so I recommend joining that. It's a really good community. I'm in it. You can chat with me and several other of the Advective Weather members, and it's a great time, so yeah, feel free to join that. And that's all I have for you today, so till the next update. Thank you and have a wonderful day.